Hey Brian, here's one of your little 1/43rd scale road champs fire trucks that you asked me to do for you. Again, for those of you that have the Code 3 trucks, these aren't nearly as detailed as the Code 3, as you can tell, but they're not nearly as expensive. So nice little substitute maybe for something that's going in the middle of a train layout, or something that's on over into the maybe to the far side or the center of the layout where you won't really be able to pick up the detail, the lack of detail on these, but regardless, they still light up really nice. This one is decaled as the St. Louis Fire Department truck. You wanted these fairly basic, so we got red grill strobes, flashing headlights, flashing taillights, red strobes up top here, and then also said flashing taillights, and of course the red light bar on the roof. This one's, you wanted 3 of them for 9 volts, one of them set up for 15 volts AC, so actually AC or DC to run on. Go ahead and turn this one on. I use one of my circuit boards on this to give you the flash patterns for the rear and the light bar and the grill lights. You can see they're triple strobe patterns wired opposite of the light bar, so the right grill light, left light bar light will illuminate. Of course, you can see your flashing headlights. Same setup on the back. And then just the basic flashing taillights on this one that you wanted. Again, this one's 9 volt, so it can be moved around. Use a battery box on this one that you want me to use. So there you have it. Again, these are road champs. Anyway, road champs 43rd scale. So there's one of the pumpers down, and I'll get the other ones up next day or two. Thank you.